Washing your car might not be the most fun part of your day, but cleaning a vehicle's windows is still important. To clean car windows properly, you should always use automotive glass cleaners, and here is why we bring you our list of the best car glass cleaners on the market. There are many products available to choose the best car glass cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 3M Glass Cleaner. This is our winner for the best overall 3M glass cleaner. We love the ease of use and control with the aerosol can, and a combination of cleaning power, speed, and dry feel rocketed this stuff to the top. Using the can was easy, as the cleaner sprayed out and foamed instantaneously on the window. There were some minor streaks in the first few seconds of wiping, but they evaporated quickly. 3M left behind a slightly grippy dry feel, but that was better than every other non-ceramic option. It's safe on tint and easy to use. This is the product to get, and that's why it's our best overall automotive glass cleaner. Number 2. Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner comes in second in our test and is a fantastic option if aerosol cans aren't your thing. We noted the streak-free cleaning performance and bottle ergonomics as the top perks. There wasn't any residue left behind, and the picture below really showcases its cleaning power. This grip will grab onto dust and dirt a bit easier and shorten the longevity of the clean look. But for a quick, powerful glass cleaning product, this is a very solid option. Number 3. Rain-X Glass Cleaner Plus Rain Repellent. For the best bargain deal, the Rain-X Glass Cleaner Plus Rain Repellent is the way to go. While this might seem like a ceramic glass cleaner, it isn't. However, it does act like it. This stuff contains Rain-X famous water-beating technology found on its wiper blades. It's not a ceramic coating, but it's close. We were impressed by the dry feel and price point, but it took some extra time to eliminate all of the haze. For a budget option that cleans well and offers some level of water repellence, you can't go wrong with this. Number 4. Griot's Garage Ceramic Glass Cleaner. Griot's Garage Ceramic Glass Cleaner comes in as an honorable mention. We enjoyed the cleaning power and dry feel. The oddly shaped spray bottle is ergonomically a little funky, which could get annoying after extended use. The ceramic coating felt smoother than non-ceramics, but not as glossy as the Rain-X ceramic above. It also required a second cleaning cycle to achieve perfect clarity. It's not the top ceramic glass cleaner, but a decent option nonetheless. It's fairly affordable too, so if you like the brand, it's still worth the purchase. Number 5. CarPro Clarify Streak-Free Car Window Cleaner. CarPro Clarify Streak-Free Car Window Cleaner has its own advantages. However, I will start this one with one of its cons. CarPro Clarify is formulated to provide streak-free glass with less effort. Not only does Clarify wipe off with ease, but it won't damage your ceramic coating or windshield sealant. For the rest of us, this is an easy-to-use auto glass cleaner that won't strip your ceramic coating or windshield sealant from your car, and it works wonders against tough stains on the car glass. Additionally, it comes in a bubblegum scent that's fantastic and won't irritate your nose. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.